The 3Commas platform has become one of the most popular crypto trading bots in 2025, offering automation tools for traders of all levels. Its main feature is the Smart Trading Terminal, which allows users to execute trades across multiple exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Qcoin without switching platforms. 3Comma supports automated strategies such as DCA, dollar cost averaging, grid trading, and bot templates for beginners, while advanced users can customize trading signals and indicators to suit their style. One of the biggest advantages is its portfolio tracking and risk management, letting users set stop loss, take profit, and trailing orders to protect their investments. Pricing is subscription-based, and while it's not free, many users find the features worth the cost compared to manual trading. However, it's important to note that trading bots cannot guarantee profits. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile, and automated strategies can result in losses, especially during sudden market swings. Customer support is responsive, but some beginners report a learning curve when setting up bots properly. Overall, 3Commas is a powerful tool for those looking to automate crypto trading, save time, and manage multiple exchanges efficiently. For serious traders, it can streamline operations and improve efficiency. But newcomers should start cautiously and learn the platform thoroughly before committing large amounts of capital.